Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got the Catladybox for September, and it's starting already. I can't even show you the box. Let me show you the box. It is very well smashed, so I hope that everything's okay in there. I haven't looked yet. Smudges right there. The others will probably be here eventually. So let's see what's in the September Catladybox. The Catladybox is a fantastic box. They send this to me free for review. And y'all, this is a monthly box, and it's meant for cat lady lovers and their cats. There is a cat lady box, and then there is the crazy cat lady box, which has the toys, which is what they send me. And I'll have all the information below. If you'd like to sign up, you can do that. When you open it, it's very disheveled. This has been through it, so you know, I won't show you. There's some tissue and there's a sticker and all, but it's a little bunched up because, you know, just who knows what happened to it. But when we start off, we get a beautiful card. This is so pretty. I really like this card. Look at now, that doesn't say fall. Fall cat, I love it. There is a beautiful black cat, and this September is called Purrin Patch. Purrin Patch. And this card has all our information about what's in the box on it, and then also tells us some other things. So this artist, isn't that cute, y'all? That is, the featured cat artist is Lisa Hernandez, and she is a British illustrator currently based in sunny Florida, who's mostly known for her black cat art, fusing cheery colors and a little whimsy with plenty of catitude. You can follow her at Lisa Works or visit lisaworks.com. And then Cat Lady Cares. Because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. Freeman Fritz Vet Clinic and Shelter, Dallas Cat Lady Adoptions, OCSP Cat Rescue, Caring About the Strays, plus 13 more. So that's quite a few. They help every month. Every month they help out. So they do want you to take pictures with you and your cats, send in the box, and send it to them on Instagram. That is so pretty. I love the colors. The colors are perfect for September. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Okay, like I said, it's a bit disheveled, so I'm just gonna take things out. Here is a cat-shaped cookie cutter. Cat cookie cutter. Let's open it up and I'll show it to you. It says bake up a batch of cute kitties. There's a typo there. For a sweet fall treat. Value of $5.99. This is a nice cookie cutter. It's metal, and there it is, a cat shape. That is super cute. Cat cookie cutter. They always have the cutest labels on things too. And of course, it's from the Catladybox. Isn't that cute? Cute, cute. Now, you know, wouldn't it be nice? I'm not artistic, but you know, I would just frost it. But you could put eyes, and you know, this would be a fun thing to do with the kids. Make some cookies, and then y'all can decorate your cats. Make, you know, different kinds of cats. Cute, cute. Thank you, Catladybox. I love that. Next up is, oh, this is cute. This is a toy. Oh, it's a maple leaf. It's a maple leaf that's decorated with leaves. It says Meowie Maple Leaf Catnip Toy. All the colors of fall in an unbelievably catnippy toy. Value $5.99. It's like a sack. And of course it has a catnip in there. I can smell that. But it's a, like a beanbag. That's what I'm trying to say. Meowie Maple Leaf. And they'll love this. They'll love this. Usually, Camille likes these kinds of things. So next up is this. I have no idea what this is. Let's see what it is. Oh, this is Meowie and Go Tote, it says. Look at that cute. They've got the cutest labels. Meowie and Go Tote, foldable shopping bag. So this has a $9.99 value. It's from farmers markets to pumpkin patches. These cats are your bag. So see how it is in this pocket. So it's going to, gotta figure it out. You're gonna take it out of that pocket, and then it looks like another pocket. Oh, here it is, here it goes. And it is a bag. I don't know that I'll ever figure out how to do that again, y'all, but it's a shopping bag. It's nice, sturdy nylon. So you're out and about and you, didn't know you were gonna stop at the farmer's market, or, you're driving and you see a nice vegetable stand or something, you can put your stuff in here. So here's your straps. Let's see. This is where things are gonna go back in. Like I said, can I figure that out? I'm gonna try. And it has some width to it. You can put a lot in it. Let's see, here comes blue. Blue could fit in here. This is nice. This is very nice to have with you when you're shopping. And of course it's covered with cats. He's already getting at the toy. That is really cute. I'll try to put that back together, but blue, right into the box, y'all. Right into the box. Can I get the things out? Uh-oh, see, he gets immediately mad at me because I'm moving him. I'm sorry, let me get the things out. Blue, there, you can get in now. You can get in, you can get in. You can get in, but don't show your bottom. No, he wants whatever this is. Okay, let's see what it is. He wants this. So let's see what it is. It's heavy, whatever it is, it's heavy. This is a cat welcome mat. Okay, let me open it up. It says, Please, see they do cat words for everything. Here comes Smudge. Like please text instead of knocking so you don't spook the cats. Outdoor safe. Value of $19.99. All right, it is nicely wrapped in plastic. This is very nice. It looks like a rubber mat. And you can wipe your feet on here, and there's some nice paw prints on it, and it's got a kitty on it also. Okay, so it's been bent like that for a while. It's nice rubber mats. So it'll take a little bit to flatten, but look how cute that is. Welcome with a kitty and some footprints. That's nice, and it's heavy and sturdy. Very, very nice. Okay, Smudge, you coming through? You smelling the toy? Here, you can look at that. Next we have another cat toy. Oh, be careful of this cookie cutter. I don't want anybody getting cut. This is the next, there's two toys in here. And this one says Purrin Spice. Purrin Spice. Okay, so this is, okay, Smudge. When the pumpkin spice stuff arrives, it's officially fall, y'all. That's what it's like, a pumpkin spice. I don't know what it is. It's a pumpkin. It's got fur on it. It's cute. They'll like it. Cats like toys. Okay, Smudge, can you move? Smudge. Sorry, y'all. It's the cat life. This is cute. It's got, this is separate from here, so they'll play with that, pull on that. This is the kind of thing that Blue will like to hold in his mouth. So that sort of looks like candy corn, the colors. All right, sit. I'll get the tags off of those toys in a minute, y'all. And then we always have something to wear in this box. And let me move that out of the way. Smudge, can you sit? To get them to listen, y'all, we have a t-shirt. And the t-shirt says, a visit to the Purrin patch would be the highlight of our fall festivities. Value of $22.99 for the t-shirt. Smudge, you're gonna have to move a little bit, lovey, just a little bit. Let me show them the t-shirt. I haven't even seen it yet, y'all. Their t-shirts are so soft. This is a beige, a very light beige. I was gonna say butter, but no, not quite butter. Let's see what it says. I'll show you first and then I'll read it. What does it say? What does it say? It says Purrin patch, and it's got the cutest black truck with the Catladybox emblem on it and a black cat with pumpkins in the trunk. It says established in 2015. The Catladybox has been around for 9 years, y'all. It says a pearl instead of apple, a pearl cider, Pumpkin Pie, Cara Meow Apples, Zoomy Races, Hay Rides, and Catnip Garden. That is cute. Cute for the fall. Really cute for the fall. And this is so soft, y'all. I think I discovered last time, or knew, I know it's 100% cotton. That's what it feels like. It feels like it's so soft you could sleep in it. It's so comfortable and soft and just cozy. So that is adorable. So we got this really cute t-shirt, Something Fell. We got the cookie cutter, the cat cookie cutter. I love that. We got the leaf toy. Maybe the orange toy fell, or Smudge. He's right here. He might be sitting on it. I don't know at this moment. There's another cat at my feet. We have the welcome mats, which is super cute with those paw prints on it. And we have this bag, y'all. This bag, which I don't know. Here's where it's gonna go back in. But you got this pocket and this pocket. What do you think? Can I figure it out? They are just all sleepy here. I'll try to get some video of them. I don't think I'm gonna be able to put it back in. But, you know, sometimes I amaze myself that I end up figuring these things out. So maybe I will. So anyway, y'all, I'll try to get some pictures of them playing or sleeping or whatever they're gonna do. And thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got in the Catladybox. And thank you so much to Catladybox for sending us this fun stuff all the time. We love it, they love it, and we really appreciate y'all. So count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye. Hey, y'all, this is what fell. I need to tell you about this right quick because this is important. This is, it says we're purring with excitement. The next box is our annual Black Cats box. Black Cats box. So this wasn't the Black Cats box, even though there's a beautiful black cat on this postcard. But the Black Cat box is in October. And it says it has sold out the last 7 years. I think that's how long they've had it. It says our annual Black Cat box is one of our most popular boxes every year, and it's your next box. We can't wait to send this one to you. So if you want the Black Cat box, it always sells out. You need to get yourself subscribed quickly. So I'll have the link below. I don't get anything if you sign up under me, you know, creators, we don't get any. There's no, you know, code like that. So you just go and you sign up, and you can get the box yourself. So thank y'all for stopping by, and we'll see if I can get them to do something. You sleepy? Look at this pretty leaf. I know you like these things. I'll have to take the tags off. Oh, there you go. I'll take the tag off. Yeah, like that. Oops. Look at this cool part of it. I guess you can't get to it because of the tag. I'll take that off.